Hello, Daniel here. Just doing a quick video on an item I picked up from Canadian Tire. There's only two of them left, so I grabbed them both. And you guys have probably seen these cookies with the arbor for the angle die grinder. Alright, I'll show you the front first. Alright, surface conditioning kit. Alright, so I'm looking at this thing, and they had another one that was in a longer package. It's pretty much the same thing, pretty much the same setup, same amount, 7. But in looking at them, I should have did a video on the other one because it was virtually the same thing, right? This is supposed to be a 7-piece kit. Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. The other kit was the same, but it was minus a disc. They wanted $9.99 for that one, and then they wanted $7.99 for this. Alright, so I grabbed them both. Might as well. That's all the disclaimer and instructions, warnings, everything else. Made in China, of course. Alright, so I took them up to the cash. She rang them in. They come up $9.99. I says, no, that's not the purchase form. They're $7.99. So I went back and took a picture of the two and said, well, here's the price. And she punched in the code. She says, that's the right code. So she let me have them for the $7.99 for the two for each. But yeah, these are nice discs. I've used these quite a number of times. I probably got a bunch of them already. But yeah, good to have the extra arbors in that. For that price, sure, why not? Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Also, just like to remind you, I got lots more content up there. Take a look around. There's a couple different playlists on the go. This is one of my live streams where I pick up a whole pile of stuff. But yeah, come check it out. Also want to mention to you, in my playlist, there's a music playlist if you want to check out some of the weird, wild, and bizarre songs that I kind of like. I'm going to be adding more to it. I've only got about 70 or so in there. But yeah, check them out. You might like it. Alright, and again, like, comment, subscribe, share. Just stop by and say hello. Dano out.